To use the Fidelity Stock Screener, start by logging into your Fidelity account and navigating to the Research and Tools section. From there, select the Stock Screener option, which will take you to a page with various filters and criteria. First, choose the type of screen you want to run, such as a predefined screen or a custom screen. Predefined screens are based on specific investment strategies or themes, while custom screens allow you to create your own criteria. If you choose a custom screen, you will be presented with a range of filters, including market cap, sector, dividend yield, and price performance. You can select the filters that are most relevant to your investment goals and risk tolerance. For example, if you are looking for dividend-paying stocks with a market capitalization of over $10 billion, you can select the dividend yield filter and set the market cap filter to over $10 billion. Once you have selected your filters, click the Apply button to run the screen. The results will be displayed in a table, with columns for various metrics such as stock symbol, company name, price, and dividend yield. You can sort the results by clicking on the column headers, and you can also export the results to a spreadsheet or print them out. To get the most out of the Fidelity Stock Screener, it is a good idea to combine multiple filters to narrow down the results. You should also use the screener in conjunction with other research tools, such as charts and news articles, to get a more complete picture of a company's prospects. Additionally, it is essential to remember that the Fidelity Stock Screener is just a tool, and it is up to you to do your own research and make informed investment decisions. By following these steps and using the Fidelity Stock Screener effectively, you can find investment opportunities that align with your goals and risk tolerance.